Uh, Creating Kaju Katli silver paper at home seems intricate, but it's definitely doable with the right ingredients and patience. Um, this Indian sweet delights many, but that shimmering silver varak is what's magical. It's achievable with some simple tools like a rolling pin, parchment paper, and a spatula. Ever wonder how hygienic those store-bought silver papers are? Concerns are real, but making your own means peace of mind. It begins with silver leaves, which you can buy online, and then it's all about creating a sterile environment. So sterilizing is your first step. Setting up a clean station is critical. You want no room for contamination. Pro tip, use a flat, spacious area covered with parchment paper. The parchment not only keeps it hygienic, but ensures easy handling. A wise investment for home cooks. Next, prepare your rolling tools. This includes a small, lightweight hammer or mallet, commonly used for pounding meat. But it's unconventional, yes, but trust me, it works wonders. Ensure it's spotless for ideal results. Cleaning meticulously is half the battle won. Now, onto the silver sheets. They're extremely delicate and need cautious handling. Unwrap them one by one carefully. Lay them between sheets of parchment paper. Think of it as creating a silver sandwich. The parchment becomes your best friend in this task. Take your lightweight mallet and gently tap on the parchment covered silver leaf. Each light tap ensures the silver spreads uniformly. Too harsh and you risk tears. Patience is your ally here. A good session takes just about 5 to 7 minutes per leaf. After this, gently lift the top parchment paper and use a spatula to ensure that the silver doesn't stick. It happens, and that's a common pain point for beginners. With practice, you'll find the right pressure and rhythm. There, your flawless silver layer. A word on practice. The more you attempt, the better your skill. Just like perfecting a pancake flip, eccentric, but vital. Familiarize yourself with each parchment encased setup. Well, the tune your mallet actions like soft, steady, but decisive. It's a fun rhythm one set. Now let's talk storage. Once your silver sheet is ready, delicately transfer it back to its original packaging, or use a separate airtight container. If any air gets in, the silver tarnishes, and that's why storage is crucial. So invest the effort for longevity. When you're ready to use them, gently transfer these homemade silver leaves onto your Kaju Katli. It's like dressing up a plain dish into an elegant ensemble. Align it precisely. Any extra will be waste. Such a precious addition deserves due respect. The joy of making Kaju Katli with your silver paper rings home knowing every bit of it was your creation. It's about self-satisfaction and knowing you didn't just stop at the sweet, but delved deeper. Every guest now savors not only store ingredients, but your dedication. Finally, remember, each expert was once an absolute beginner. Starting can be daunting, yet rewarding. With homemade silver paper, you boost your Kaju Katli artistry. It takes Kaju Katli from being a
just a suite to an expression of artistry crafted with love